Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open the BMW i8 front hood. First, locate the primary release lever, which is typically found in the driver's footwell near the door sill. Give this lever a firm pull to release the initial latch. You'll hear a click, indicating the first stage of the hood release is complete. Now, you can proceed to the front of your i8 for the next step. With the primary latch released, you'll notice a slight gap has appeared at the very front edge of the hood. Carefully reach your hand into this opening. You're looking for a small, secondary safety latch. This latch is often located slightly to one side of the center, so feel around gently until you find it. It's designed to prevent accidental opening. Once you've located the secondary safety latch, you'll need to either push it to the side or pull it upwards, depending on the specific design. This action will fully disengage the hood's locking mechanism. You'll feel it release, and the hood will then spring up a few inches, indicating it's now completely unlocked and ready for you to lift it open. Now that both latches are released, you can grasp the front edge of the hood firmly with both hands. Gently lift it upwards until it's fully open. Some BMW i8 models may have a prop rod to secure the hood in the open position. If so, locate and engage it. This ensures the hood stays safely open while you access the front compartment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.